Hi foodies, welcome to Amma's cooking recipes. Today we are making puttu. This recipe is my mom's recipe as my Amma's recipe is very traditional recipe. Do try this recipe. Let's get into the recipe. I am taking 3 cups of rice flour. Just add a 1 pinch of salt in the water and mix the water into the rice flour. We are not making a batter or a dough, just we making a wet our flour. I just added a 3/4 cup of water. Rub the flour nicely in this way. Approx 5 minutes I rub this flour. As our rice flour is ready. I am taking out half cup of flour. We'll do another type of steaming with this flour. In a big vessel I taken a 1/4 water and I taken a cleaned white and wet cloth and I just spread in the vessel and I'm going to tie the cloth. I just already spread our rice flour and close the leftover cloth and put the lid. Cook 10 minutes in high flame, 25 minutes in low flame. Now we'll do coconut shell steaming. Add the rice flour and grated coconut layer by layered. In cooker I just added a 1/3 of water and put the lid without whistle and a rubber. In this hole I am just going to adjust our coconut shell. Cook this puttu about 30 minutes in a medium flame. Steaming is nicely done. Our puttu is ready. Just take out this puttu in the bowl. Our puttu is still hot. In this stage only we are going to add 1 cup of jaggery. It's powdered jaggery. And 1 cup of grated coconut. It's freshly grated coconut. We can add dried coconut also. Mix well and keep it aside for 15 minutes to melt the jaggery. See, our coconut puttu is also ready. In this coconut puttu we can add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Mix well. We add 1 teaspoon elaichi powder. Our yummy, tasty jaggery puttu is ready. This recipe. It's too healthy and traditional recipe. If you like my recipe, like, share, subscribe, comment, and thank you.